You're watching how to mute and unmute someone on Facebook story. You cannot directly mute someone's stories without muting their overall Facebook activity. To mute someone's stories and posts, go to their profile, tap the three-dot menu on their profile page, select unfollow or snooze name for 30 days. This stops their posts and stories from appearing in your feed. To specifically mute stories, you must adjust your story settings. When you see their story in your feed, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the story. Select Mute Namee's story, confirm. You will no longer see their stories. Their regular posts may still appear. To unmute, you need to find their profile again. Go to their profile, tap the three dots, and look for story settings or unmute story. If you don't see it, you can unmute by going to your own story settings. Tap your profile picture to view your story, then tap the three dots and select story settings. Look for muted stories or hidden stories. Here you may see a list of people you've muted. Tap unmute. Next to their name, another method is to go to Facebook settings and privacy settings, news feed preferences, mute. You can manage muted profiles here, but it may not separate stories from posts. Unmuting will restore their stories to your feed. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.